Australians spend billions of dollars every year for treatment. Some of it's genuinely life-changing, but some is just an expensive hope. Today, we find out which is which.
Welcome to Daily Dose with Dr. Tanya. We're going to talk everything about health, wellness, beauty, and things between. This is your space where we will have real conversations, real results for real people. So let's get started.
These days, you see a lot of information out there on social media. Some of it, is it really coming from people who have done proper education and training? Well, I have my doubts. So today, I have got someone who has got the right qualification to discuss what is what and what treatment to get. So I'm joined by Zubaida. Hi, Zubaida.
Hello, Dr. Tanya. Thank you so much for inviting me here today, and I'm very honored to be here. I'm a demo practitioner. I have got my own clinic here, and I also am an educator for a company that sells all the medical devices to all the clinics, and I go all around Australia training clinics and some doctors as well.
I get clients who come in and literally give me like just 3 months because they have got a wedding to attend or an event to go to, and they want to completely change their appearance. They've got only 3 months. So I just want to actually get your version, what you do with clients that come with such questions or such requests.
So the first thing that I do is to do a thorough consultation with them, and I would like to know what their main concern is, their lifestyle, their medical history, and also their diet too. And I ask them what is it that they want to change about themselves. And sometimes they will tell me this is like a pitted scarring or the skin's texture. Then I have to make a plan for them according to what they actually want to change within that time. Everybody walks in with a very big expectation. When they walk in, they think that everything can be done within, 1 session or 2 sessions, but it's not like that. So skin needling is designed for people who has got uneven skin tone, enlarged pores, fine lines and wrinkles, the skin's texture as well. So what we are doing with the skin needling is we are creating thousands of micro injuries, which is controlled injuries, to deliver the products into the skin. It is quite superficial, but having 4 to 6 treatments will definitely help with the integrity of the skin, as well as stimulating the collagen and speeding up the cell renewal too. So RF needling is 2 modalities in one. So you've got the skin needling and RF needling together. So RF, which is the radio frequency together. So what this is doing, again, everything that the skin needling is doing, indicated for, and also tightening the skin and toning the skin at the same time. So the RF helps to stimulate the collagen with the heat when the skin needling is with the controlled injury that goes and delivers the products into the skin. It's really good. It's better treatment than the needling on its own. What it is doing is great for scarring, stretch marks. Some people has got a lot of acne scarring as well. So these 2 modalities together works better, and it's a little bit more invasive than the skin needling. So at first, I would start them with the needling on its own to make sure the skin's integrity is good to be able to do the RF needling on them. Again, with the RF needling, it's different with specific skin types. You have to be very careful with, because it's got heat in it as well. So it comes with different cartridges. We've got insulated and non-insulated cartridges. You have to use the insulated cartridges for darker specific skin types because of the reason that they are prone to get PIHP, which is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Now, I would start off with the needling, and then I could go on to the RF needling after that. And the cost between the 2, needling is obviously a bit cheaper than the RF needling because of the time, and also the cartridges cost. The cost of it is a little bit higher than the cartridge for the skin needling device. Pigmentation treatment is always very tricky depending on the specific skin type as well. And we have a lot of questions on this one. So you have to first be able to differentiate between pigmentation and melasma. So when it comes to pigmentation, whether it is deep or whether it's freckles and sunspots can be sitting very superficial, so you can treat it with laser and you won't need as many sessions. Whereas if pigment is quite deep, sitting quite deep, it might need more sessions. Again, full clearance cannot be guaranteed, but consistency and getting other modalities with it will help. So what we do with pigmentation is try to prepare their skin first. So we prepare their skin with some tyrosinases inhibitors. That helps for the production of the melanin in the skin. So it stops it and it breaks it down. And then the laser will work and complement that. So we prepare their skin for at least 3 to 4 weeks beforehand, and then we do the treatment on them. And when you talk about melasma, some people go and get melasma treatments done. Some people get IPL done on that. For some, yes, it might work for a little bit, but then the melasma can come back. You have to be very careful with melasma because it can be hormonal as well. It can be genetics. It can be stress. It can be medication. So there's a lot of reasons that people can get melasma. So knowing their background also helps. If it's hormonal, you can say that, yes, we can help you subside it, but it will not go away permanently because sun is the biggest and contributor to melasma. And if you're getting treatments done and you are going out there without your sun protection, without a hat, it's going to make it worse. So when you are doing any lightening treatment for any skin type, you have to make sure that you are protecting your skin from the sun. It is also an accelerator for aging too. Carbon peel can be both. So it can be a clinical treatment as well as a glorifying facial too. It depends on when you are getting it done and what you are getting it done for. People with congested skin, oily skin, acne-prone skin, that can come as a clinical treatment for them. So what I do with carbon peel, if somebody is acne-prone, I give them a couple of blue light therapies. I do hydrobrasion on them, and then I start doing carbon peel on them. So that part of it becomes your clinical side. But glorifying facial, you can get the carbon peel before a big event to get that nice glow and flawless skin before the event. So probably a week or two before the event. It's also known as China doll facial or Hollywood facial. And people would come and ask us, what is this Hollywood facial? So then we go, this is what it is. So carbon peel is known as that as well, so because it also helps to lighten the skin a little bit, brightening of the skin, and helps with the uneven skin tone. It's also rejuvenation at the same, both. The science behind using your own growth factors as well, because using your own growth factor without putting any other foreign products into the skin, it goes and repairs the skin cells, it regenerates the cells as well, and also gives you the volume too. So what you can do, vampire facial is done with skin needling. So instead of using, so we call it the golden serum. So what we do, instead of using other products, serums, we use your growth factors to use with the needling. And when you combine the needling and injectables together with the PRP, you get a greater result. So when people come in for PRP, I tell them that one session doesn't do everything. You can see a great result from one session, but every skin is different. Every skin's metabolism is different. Everyone reacts differently to different things, but with your own growth factor, you can't go wrong because it's, going back into your skin, and there will be no adverse reactions from it. The only thing that PRP is also doing is giving you a bit of inflammation, which is what we want. It's got inflammatory response to it. So we want that inflammation to be able to heal properly and rejuvenate and regenerate for you. PRP is also used in medical as well for joints, and there is not enough scientific research for it, but it does go and repair the muscle tear. It can also help with osteoarthritis and bursitis as well. So that's where it's sitting too.
Now, let's talk money here. What is the minimum spend that someone or anyone needs to invest to get their skin corrected?
When it comes to money, it's different for every client. It depends on the treatment that they are getting done and their budget as well. The most and least, actually the least expensive one would be their LED light therapy to start off with, and then going into their hydrobrasion, which exfoliates their skin. And when I talk to them, I always ask them their budget too and make the treatment plan according to that. I would say around $1,000 to start off with, which is a few sessions within that 3-month period. And sometimes people might need 4 to 6 sessions depending on the concern.
It's interesting that you put a number, but then you see a lot of clinic underselling that. They're not probably telling the reality. It may cost like $300. I've seen advertisement, but it's not for the entire process of a skin rejuvenation journey.
No.
You're talking about just one time, one treatment, which is not going to help you other than a glorified facial. It's not going to do anything, just that, immediate glow, but it's not going to add any value. So you're talking about, say, 3 to 4 sessions at least, commitment to go to the clinic, that sort of thing, right?
And they have to be consistent. If your practitioner is telling you that you need to get another treatment in 4 weeks' time, you have to get it done in 4 weeks' time. Sometimes you can get a treatment done in between, which is not an invasive treatment, but that is just to complement the other treatment. That it depends on your time frame as well and how soon you want that consent to be addressed. We sometimes say, okay, after 3 weeks' time, if I'm doing a needling treatment, for example, I can say to them, 3 weeks' time, come in and I'll do a RF treatment on you. So that will give them that lift and tone and tightening as well. And then the 4th week, they can come and get their skin needling done again.
So what do you think that people are actually wasting their money on? Putting the money in the right treatment is so important, especially you're looking at budgets and stuff. You're talking money, What do you think? Where are people wasting their money these days?
So what people are doing is they're following a lot of social media trends. That's why they go wrong with their treatments as well. They will come to us and say, oh, I have seen this on social media. Can you do this? And sometimes also they see the wrong treatment plan that they're doing. Sometimes people are doing needling and with chemical peel on the same day. No, definitely not.
God.
So they need to make sure that they are going to the right clinic where they have qualified and experienced practitioners or therapists. The way they can tell that they are experienced and they know what they're doing is from getting a consultation done by them. And the answers, the questions that they ask should be answered according to their concern that they want to address as well. The other place that they do waste money a lot is buying skincare products, which is branded. I can't name products, but sometimes people think that that's too expensive. That will do the treatment for me. I mean, it will correct my skin, but it's not always the way.
It's not.
So there are 3 grades of skincare products. You've got your cosmeceuticals, you've got your pharmaceutical, and you've got your medical grade.
Yeah.
They have to understand the consistency of that product, and to be able to get that, they have to go and see a professional who knows about the products, who can tell them that yes, these are the products that you need to combine together, because sometimes some chemicals can react with the other chemicals.
So now it's I'm going to put you on the spot, okay?
Yeah.
If you were going to spend your money on any treatment, which would be that one treatment be?
The one treatment?
Yeah, just the
And
one, just the one treatment.
Yeah.
Just the one
And I
treatment.
think you know my answer. And
I know, but
I would actually get a PRP done. And if I had to do injectables, I would do my PRP injectables and with the needling as well. Sorry. The reason is because we are using the growth factors of our own blood and injecting it into our body, into our skin, which goes and repairs the cells and regenerates the cells as well. So it is the more natural way of getting that rejuvenation done, and also instead of just masking it, we are repairing it. So that's
and
my
without
best.
outside influence, no foreign body or anything to the skin. Yeah, I love it too.
Yeah.
All right. Well, if you are investing your time, your money, and your energy into skin treatments at a recognized clinic, then I would strongly advise you that you commit yourself for the entire journey. What I mean is that you look at your lifestyle, look at how you can improve your diet, your exercise, your sleep, reduction of stress, and balancing your life in order to get better outcomes that you're going to spend your money on at the clinic. So it's not going to work if you are getting all the amazing expensive treatments that you really want to transform your skin if your lifestyle is not going to be supportive of the treatment. So all of these things matter. Your hydration, your sleep, your stress levels, your overall lifestyle, all of this matters. So make sure that you make efforts not just inside the treatment room, but also outside what you do in your daily life. So what is your one piece of advice to anyone who's looking to get professional treatment?
My advice to everyone who's watching is to find a professional therapist or a practitioner and get your skin assessed properly and get educated about your skin, and also get a proper and honest treatment plan for you according to your skin concerns, according to your budget, according to how much commitment you can give to that treatment as well, and how much you really want to invest into your skin journey. Your skin journey is not a one size fits all or a one-time thing. You have to be committed, you have to be consistent, you have to follow all the protocols to be able to achieve what you are looking for.